Everyone has a chance to write a book, but we need a place to tell the story. Anyway, I got pregnant when I was 17 years old. Everybody wanted me to marry the guy. Karunaan ti family and relatives ko. But I stood my own decision. I said no to marriage. It's not because I'm still young and I need to fulfill my dreams, but because I don't love the guy and I don't like what happened to me. I was a rape victim, kat nagbunga nga rode ngay naramid na. The moment I've learned that I was pregnant, I felt sad. Little did people know that their disappointment was nothing compared to the shame I felt for myself. I thought my life was over. Chismis ditoy, chismis ijay. Hanak pulos rumrumar, ultimo prenatal day ko. Hanak mapan no mabalbalin ko ma. Tapermiti bain ko kadagiti bagbagati tat tao. Nasikugan nak nga nasapa agaputa sumayat nak. The extremely terrible kat compare dak kadagiti mga kaig ko. They said I'm a bad influencer kadagiti anak dagiti karo ba. Someone said, kitam, imbagtahan kayo nagpada nag-eskwelaan kan nagka-boardingan, may isa ka kumamutan nga nasikugan. Nasapa ko na dyan may isa nga ina iji anak na. Just because I got pregnant at early age that time, they missed the fact that I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol. School boarding house lang ti routines ko. Kan every weekend agaw-awid na kaya ilimi. Tapnop tumulong kanda mother ko. Actually, tuwa kami lang nga agabsat kan ading ko. Nasapa kami nga naulila iti ama. My father was a soldier before. Ngam nasapa piman nga inala ni Apo kada kami. Iso nga ni mother ko lang tinagdisdis kita. Tapno maitad na lata dagiti kasapulan mi. Kang runaan ti panag-eskwela mi. So to make the story short, I was raped by a guy nga anak ti maysa nga sikat nga politicians ti TNME. Gapo nga rod tawan mabalin mi. Intortured ko ti bain. Stress kan depression. Inananusak nga nagtatal na tahan mi nga kaya nga labanan suda. Tauray adda ti batas nga makuna na awan ti kwartam, awan ti serbina. Ti amo ti tao, nagpasikugnak nga nasapa, kathanak kayat nga ako hindi amati sikug ko, which is baddarong, ngamga po ta makapangyarihan na nga pamilya, ijaen mi, sigurado nga awan mo't lang ti mamati no agsawa kami. Kinasaok tagi relatives ka ni mother ko, nga ipadyos latan ti amin, tawan mo't lang nga rod ti kabalinan mi, gamang ala ti hostisya, kapo dya inaramid na di nga lalaki. I was devastated that time. I asked the Lord why? Why do bad things happen to good person? May your conscience kill you each day. May your karma be worse kung kunak nga mga ika-curse. Diyan ang aramid kanyak tunggal makitak. Ti itsura ka dya sarming. It hurts me big time to see my mother ngagsang sangit. Every time ka sa unak, kanay nakbagaan nga always think positive. Everything will be fine. Not now but soon. Kararag lang kan Apo. Simpa aktibagik tapno na salon at kami lata iti anak ko. Naglabas nga ti aldaw kan bulan. Inyan ako ni baby. His innocent face who looks exactly like me. His tiny hands and feet. And when I heard his first cry, I realized that it was not the end of me, because my life just actually started. The slow-mo that changed everything, and the moment when I started to appreciate what is motherhood all about. I was disappointed. Yeah, but my baby is a blessing. And to that, I was more grateful for having him. Intuloy kang routine nag-eskwela, naging inspirasyon ko dyan ako. Habang agis eskwela lumakdak kalmat isuna. Kas may nga ina, inot nga matang tanggap ko siya nangyari kanya. Hanmat ngayon paidam ti pamilyak ti anak ko. Open mat nga mapmapan pa siya rin ti family ni Amana. Itadamat ti obligasyon da. Then the father of my son graduated from college. Tapos mat nga nakapasa ti board, ka nakapasok mat dagos ti work na. May saan suna nga komando. Hanmat nagsarsardang nga nagdawdawat ti pamakawan di naramid na. Kahit the parents na nga isimpami kano ti amin, tapno agasar kami para iji ubing mi. But I still decided to pursue my career. Kan adalat ta jay time nga han maikat iji panunot ko day nga nangyari. Kat maraariyak na nga mga panpanunot si ama ti anak ko. Kapangarod ako nak editi sarilik. Alaak ti hustisya tapno maibalas ko tinabayag ko nga nilaklakam. Nga sakit tinakam. Isa ipapatik ti agiskwela tapno makalpas nak. But I was wrong. Nilagdagsan gayam tirik na no ada ti panpanunutan nga madi. Thanks kan apo tahabang dumakdak kali anak ko. Inot mo't nga mak-accept ko tinangyari iti biyak ko. After I finished my political science, I had a job. I used what I've learned to continue my study. Yes, I entered Juris Law School, and I was supposed to graduate last year, but I wasn't able to join because of one subject. I was frustrated after the deliberation, realizing my name was not included. Kasanungay nga ta malpas. Imagine, you die in shame every day literally. And what worse is the fact that you are sitting in the library reading files of cases, tons of books, and memorizing laws and doctrines, while jada dumaan piman kat enjoying their lives. Self-pitying ang pignay, but I believe one day, someday, I will have my own spotlight. Life is not indeed a race. Technically, I'm 26 years of age. I was nothing have to brag right now, but my lovely son and my supportive family, thank you so much. I'm just so thankful for the right decision I've made. Hopes and prayers that I will reach all my dreams soon. Lastly, the lesson that I want to share to all of you: let's not compare our achievements and life to others. We all have our own ways to achieve success and to overcome all the trials that come into our lives. Once again, thank you and God bless.